Hello and welcome back to another video on Friends Car Repair Corner. So I know it's been a while since my last upload. I've been quite unmotivated. The cost of living's really been a big impact, and yeah, wanting to go away with the family on holiday and stuff like that. I just not had the money to be putting into like cars and making YouTube content where YouTube's not paying me at the moment. So yeah, apologies on the delay, etc. But yeah, no, I haven't given up. I am still going with my YouTube channel, and yeah, got a few updates today, a few things changing. So let's stop all the waffle. Let's get out the front and I can update you with everything that's going on. We have a Mondeo. No Mini. The Mini has gone. So we just have the Mondeo. She has passed the MOT finally. So I'm gonna do, so the money that I've got from the Mini, gonna put some of it into the Mondeo, and I've obviously also put some of that money into our holiday for the family and stuff like that. So let's go over then what my plans are for the channel and for the Mondeo. As you can see, I do not like this. As I've yeah, jet washed and stuff like that now, it has basically all chipped off. So I need to redo this. When I redo it, I am going to get rid of this chrome as well. I just think it looks, yeah, much better with it, yeah, all being all sort of unchromed or chromed out or blacked, whatever. So yeah, that is on my list of jobs to do, is to sort this out and go through and try and clear up a few of these scratches that have happened. With these, I'm going to move those out of the way, and I would like to try and make like a splitter, something that comes out here, make it a little bit more sporty. So we'll see what happens there. I have a plan for some new replacement alloys. Okay, so I'll show you those soon. I've also ordered an exhaust. So you can just see that this is just poking down here at the moment now, but I have got a replacement one that will, yeah, come out and look nice. So that's something that's coming. And we'll go back round the front. Okay, headlights. So I've done loads of headlights on this Mondeo. As you can see, these are like the standard halogen ones, and all I've done is remove the inside, so basically makes them clear. So they are all working. However, I just don't like the look of them. Like, I want the ones with the projector and stuff like that. So I have ordered some new motors for my old headlights. So let's get into the house and I can show you the headlights and what I mean with regards to that. And I can then check my list and see if there's anything else that I then need to update you with. So let's get inside. So these are my original headlights that I had in the car. The reason I removed them was because I replaced this motor, okay, and this basically goes up and down, but this motor moves the light left and right, okay. I've put this one in when it should have been poked out rather than being in. So what has happened is these headlights are basically beaming that way and that way, so they're not beaming onto the road. So they were just basically useless, and I couldn't get these motors to go back in, etc. So that's why I've ended up then splitting them and found the motor. Where did I put the motor? This is the motor that is actually at fault. So this is the one that I believe moves backwards and forwards and will actually move my light up and down, the adjuster. So it was that was broken and wasn't working on my lights. Therefore, that's why I had to change them. So I've found out what the numbers are, and I've ordered 2 of these. Now, I don't know if I need 2 or whether it was just 1, but I just thought, you know what, let's just order 2. So I know I've got 2 working ones. So as you can see, I'm waffling a lot and I don't like waffling. This one's still all made up. This one I've then split, got this motor out. This is the one that's then at fault. I will then replace that, put that then in there. What you'll also see is that these were the Mark 4.5 lights. So it had a little cap in there. I've thrown it away now, but I'll show you on the other one where I just poked it through. So this will now allow me to stick my side light through it, and I then don't need to have the halos on there anymore. Okay, so the reason I had the halos was because I didn't have any side lights, needed to have a side light, so that's why I installed the halos. With the halos, they weren't the greatest because, yeah, I'd glue it onto this and it wouldn't then allow this to move. So I'm just kind of basically going exactly back to standard, going to tidy all of this up, give this a sand on the inside and the outside. I'll give this a clear up on the inside bit here as well. I have started to do the same thing with my indicator one because I shouldn't have painted that black. Luckily, I mean, I will clear it up a little bit more, but luckily this is hidden. So that will be there. It gets hidden basically by that anyway. So it will just, you know, show the indicator a little bit more brighter with this then not being sprayed black. So yeah, that's that. So it looks like a complete mess at the moment, but once I get these all back together, obviously I need to, yeah, give these a sand down and give these a respray. But yeah, that's the plan. I want to get these lights fully working because these are the ones that turn left and right. I think they had like the follow me lights or whatever. And these are like £300-400 if I try and buy them again. So, you know, I've just got them sitting around, and the only issue with it was not this motor, the other motor. So that's going to be a video, me trying to get these lights fixed, and will also be like to do with Ford scan, so that I can actually get them coded in, because at the moment I've coded the lights out or I've got the wrong ones coded in. But yeah, either way, headlights. Okay, so yeah, I know it's been mainly a lot of waffle, but I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know that I am still around. I am still going to be making videos, but yeah, the cost of living has been a big impact, I suppose. And the fact that, yeah, I've got a full-time job, a family, I need to be putting my money into that and not into a YouTube channel that's not paying me at the moment. So let's go back to the list of what I want to still do with the Mondeo. So wing mirror. So I know I've tried this a couple of times to try and sort out the power folding mirror. I have got another one that I'm going to go and collect either today or tomorrow. So that will be upcoming. Fogs. So when I was showing you the front bumper, my fog lights that have been painted black, they're all like chipped up, so I want to take those out, give those a respray as well. So give the nice front bumper a nice sort of, yeah, clean up of all of the scratches and yeah, that kind of thing. What else? Alloys, already mentioned. Spoiler. Yeah, I've always wanted to put a spoiler on the Mondeo, so whether I try and continue with the Mazda one or whether I just end up buying a Ford spoiler that I can then just simply put straight into the car. Tint. I do want to tint the Mondeo, but that I find isn't the greatest sort of content for YouTube, so I'm just going to do that off of channel, and then I'll just update you and let you know when I've done it. Exhaust, so yeah, that I will end up having ordered, so I'll end up doing a video on that, on how I fitted it, how it sounds and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. Trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit that, I think that's when I'll start getting paid. And then finally on my list was then speakers. So yeah, the speakers sound good in the Mondeo, but I don't know, it would just be nice to have a little bit more. When they are turned up loud, I can hear it distorting, and I don't like that distorting sound with, like, yeah, the bass and stuff like that. So who knows, maybe I'll go Apple CarPlay, maybe I'll stick a sub in the boot, maybe I'll just upgrade the speakers, who knows. But then yeah, later on in the year, probably come summertime, I will be looking to like remove the back seats and stuff like that and turning the car into like a temporary camper so that me and the missus can go away during summer. So yeah, we'll document that and whatever I end up then doing and how I turn it into a camper. So yeah, mainly Mondeo focus for now, but I will be looking into getting into, yeah, other projects, maybe an MX-5 or a van to convert into a camper, or maybe an old car to then restore. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think I should do and bring to the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching, and join me on the next one. Cheers, guys.